Why, what's happening, YouTube? This your boy Duley. Who? Duley's Customs. Back at it with a new vlog today. You feel me, man? What's ham, war? This was ham, war. That's was ham, Flight Pilot Click. What's ham, everybody, man? I hope everyone's having a blessed day, man. I am. I'm tired. I'm off work, but man, you know, the grind never stops. Always doing something. Always doing something. Always doing something. Now today, I'm doing some LED headlights and fog lights installed. Now I'm sorry I didn't show y'all installing the fog lights, but they already done. But I'm about to do the headlights, so I mean I do it. But if y'all don't know, he got his name, Clifford. Oh yeah. And I had to get it in gloss so it'll match, like brush flushing with the paint. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna have them bring it up a little bit higher. And excuse my hand because I've been washing my hands a lot. So bring it up a little bit higher and have it a little bit more bolder, so that way it stands out a little bit more. But these some off-brand LEDs, I'm giving them a try because I got them for dirt cheap. So I mean, for both pairs I only paid $20. I'm gonna be honest, I only paid $20 for it. So I did the fog lights. I'm about to do the headlights, but for now I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like, the difference from the halogen headlight bulbs versus the LEDs on here. So I mean, go on, give it a shot. Because of the camera, I'm trying to get better focus. But the halogen bulbs versus the LEDs, I can tell they're much brighter versus the regular bulbs. And that's the regular bulbs in here, like the halogen bulbs. So that's these little LEDs, and they're a little bit off. Like this side looks a bluish white versus a whitish white, which is that would be 5K, that would be 6K. So like I say, I had to do these here for the fog lights. So now I'm about to get ready to do the headlights, and I'll get back at y'all in a second because I do have to put this clip back on here for a second. So I'll see y'all in a bit. Alright, as y'all can see, I'm in a different location because I had to do something. But I finally got the front end off, and I'm about to get ready to swap out to the LEDs, man. So y'all stick with me. I'm doing this here, so it's a pretty fun project. Really though, it's a really fun project at the end of the day. Because I do this stuff, but this is stuff I haven't did in a while. But that's what makes me do this custom. And I'll see y'all in a bit, man, after I done pop these lights in and pop the grill and everything back on and show y'all the finished product. I'll see y'all. Alright, that's the halogen bulb. And that's the LED bulb, people. See, now y'all can see the difference. Versus me brightening it up, you won't be able to see, but yeah. So I'm about to get ready to swap this one here out, man. Go and finish up, and then I'm gonna show y'all the finished product, and I'll get back with y'all in a hot second. You hear me?
No.
Right. All right, y'all. There's the finished product. I went from halogen to LEDs, and I finally fixed that side. Thank God. So now I ain't gotta worry about my fast clicking blinker light. But it looks actually pretty good. And this the little cheap brand I went with. I gotta wash hands and stuff, but y'all know the little simple logics. But I gotta upgrade bulbs and all that stuff too anyway. And plus I need to fix the other side because this not on. So I ain't gonna do this. I ain't gonna worry about this light today. I'm gonna do it another day. But Clifford, man, he coming along, y'all, bit by bit. You heard me? And I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty pretty happy. And I'm doing the work myself, so that's what makes Duley's Customs, Duley's Customs. Yeah, that boy Duke is out here doing things. Remind people of my daddy, but except I don't work on cars, but I know how to work on cars. I don't physically work on cars. I like to customize. So that's what makes me the offspring of my daddy, boy. But man, I'm proud, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. If y'all like this video, feel free to go ahead on and hit that subscribe button, man. Hop in that comment section, man. I mean, my fault. Hop in that description section, and I got the links to all my social media, man. Y'all can follow me any and everywhere, man. Just follow your boy. And make sure y'all hit that like button, man, and share with your people, share with your family, man. Y'all know the motto, man, because I'm always blessed. So I like passing on blessings, and I like passing on positive energy. So take the good with the bad, the bitter with the sweet, the ups with the downs. Haul ass on all feet, mash on concrete, every day remain the same. Be humble, prosper, gain, embrace them struggles to enjoy them future endeavors like I'm doing. Little by little. I'm enjoying it though, because it's my hard-earned work. Yes, I work. And yes, I do Uber Eats. Yes, I do Lyft. Yes, I do DoorDash. But it's an honest living. I'm making money to take care of me and my son. I'm proud. And that's what it's about, man. And I hope y'all enjoy this video, man. Stay tuned for future content. And for now, y'all go back and check them old videos out. See what your boy been doing from previous calls to now. And y'all have a blessed day. Fight Pilot Click. I love y'all. And I'm out. You hear me? Duley, huh?